Well, reunited my buddy Abdul.
Hi.
He's giving me a ride to go pick up my new project. It's kind of silly. I told him he wouldn't guess what it was, but you probably won't guess what it is either.
First off, I did guess what it was.
Well, okay, he did guess what it was, but it wasn't his first or his second or third, fourth, fifth, or eighth
still guessed
or ninth guess.
You were like,
And
oh, you're never gonna get it.
And it's like a car you're probably gonna not like when you see it. But the reason I'm doing it is because it's weird. It's different. No one else is doing it. And I just kind of want to see people's faces when I beat them in it.
Wow, okay. You're like, oh, look at me. I've got my...
Hey, don't tell anyone what it is yet. We haven't done the reveal yet.
My really sleeper model car
Yeah.
that no one can ever, like, beat and
Yeah,
stuff.
but that no one would ever think to build. So, yeah.
People have thought about it.
But never done it. There's very
fair.
few people. And I may even off-road it, but it's gonna start as a street queen first, and then we might put long travel on it.
You hear that? It's a street queen.
Street queen.
Ergo, it's a lady kind of a car.
All my cars are girls.
They're not all girls.
All my cars are girls.
Okay, they're girls because you named them girls, but they're not all girls because they're not all girl
They're
cars.
oh, true. Yeah. This one's a girl car. It's very girly. It's okay. That's why
you love it?
That's why I gotta tint the windows first. That's the first thing that's gonna happen.
I don't think that's gonna make it less
It's
girl
gonna
car.
look less girly, but then at least when I get out of the car, people will be like, what?
I don't think people are gonna go, what? I'm pretty sure people are gonna be like, oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That car. That makes sense.
Yeah, shut up. Alright, we'll come back later. See you later. Here she is. 2014 911.
So cool.
The window has been broken for like forever, and I guess people keep trying to steal it.
Don't tow. It says right here.
Don't tow, it says.
Don't tow it.
Nice.
It's good.
So yep, that's it.
Really nice.
Oh look, there's no sticker. It's not registered. Oh, that's gonna suck.
Oh wow, look.
And there's dinosaurs in it.
There's seeds in here.
Seeds. Good.
Like somebody's been dipping. Spitting.
Well, that's nice. Well, that's it. Yep.
What? Oh, we're going to the real car?
Hold on, I guess you're going to the real car. Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. Is that the new one?
There's two. This one broke too.
Well, where's the other good one?
What good one?
You don't have a better one?
No.
Just kidding, this is the car.
So wait, it's not the Porsche?
It's not the Porsche.
You want the Porsche?
Yeah, let's get the Porsche instead.
You want to get the Porsche
I
instead?
think the Porsche's better.
Does the button even work? It doesn't even. It's dead. It's literally dead.
She just said you can have the Porsche,
I'll have to pay for it.
but you can have the Porsche.
Let me think about it.
Dude, that's a good flip.
Yeah, I kind of do, but
Do you take it now?
I can't take it now. Where am I gonna park it?
Ray, are you wiping the seat?
Yeah, I am, because my sister's car is gross.
Ready off the.
Cool. You say hi to your kid.
Hi.
Hi.
Uncle Bruce,
you
why are
doing?
you cleaning it?
Yeah, why are you
taking it.
cleaning it?
Why?
Cause
See if you want to know.
I'm taking it.
Did you buy it?
Yep.
Yep.
Say bye to the Beetle.
Keep-
Bye.
Bye.
I never liked you.
Yeah!
I like how it's rough.
That was good.
Hey, I'm just gonna make it cleaner. It's gonna clean it. It's gonna run.
I don't think a couple wipes are gonna clean this car.
Well, I'm gonna start.
You think of the crayon smell?
No, that's a Volkswagen thing.
It's a Volkswagen
It's
thing.
never gonna get out. It's gonna smell like crayons forever.
It didn't smell like that until I put it in the
Well,
sun.
if I take out
Yeah,
all
that's
the
what
plastic
happens.
interior, it might.
Then you're upset.
Ugh.
All right.
All right. Do you know where the thing is?
Nope. I think it's. How do you?
Hey Ray, it's right here.
No, that's a trunk.
Yeah.
Bye, Clea.
But isn't the motor in the trunk?
No, it's not. Oh, I remember it was on the side, I thought.
Yeah, that little button.
Where?
The one I just flipped.
That one?
Yeah.
No, that's the trunk, dude.
He doesn't know how to get into the trunk
The trunk or the.
or the hood.
Oh, I found it.
Found it? Oh, there you go.
Got it.
Pop the bonnet.
Pop the bonnet.
Because it is not an American car. You got a Volkswagen. Oh, God. Ray, what do you have to say about this?
I think it's been neglected for a long time and it needs a little bit of love.
Yeah.
So, That's why I'm buying it. It's my sister's car. I'm gonna keep it in the family. I'm gonna take care of it.
Ooh, I heard electricity.
Something,
Yep.
Electricity.
Yep, you're on. Go.
Yep, let's do this. Oh, you hear it? You hear it?
It's because you didn't turn on the battery pack.
I did though.
Gas, 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 gas.
Oh, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Listen to that engine roar.
It does whoosh whoosh sounds, okay?
Again, make the engine. I heard the whoosh whoosh. Okay, it has a turbo.
And it's got no gas in it.
Hey, how did you do that?
A jump start. It's amazing what electricity does.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Did you just let it die?
Yeah, well, it hasn't been driven for like 7 months.
Why did you stop?
Because I have 4 kids and they don't all fit.
That's fair. That's fair.
I like to drive it when I'm by myself, which is not very often.
Hey Ray, look, you can drive it until you have 4 kids.
I don't want 4 kids, so that's gonna be easy.
Ray, you.
What is that called? And how much does that thing cost?
$100 bucks.
Do you want to try the Porsche?
Let's try the Porsche.
Oh, dang it, other keys.
Oh,
Dang it,
it
let's-
doesn't have the keys.
Let's boost it.
Well, find the key. Dude, look at how many spider webs this thing's got on it. They're all
You know what happens when you leave a car for 7 months?
Damn it, that's so
You want
gross.
the Porsche for real?
Look at all the bugs on it.
You want the Porsche for real?
Maybe.
Hey, second car.
I gotta find a place to park it. This thing's so dirty. It's so gross. Why is it so gross?
Because it's been sitting for 7 months.
It's so gross. Why is it so gross?
I'm gonna send you a channel of. Oh,
there
my
you go.
god. Oh my
Those
god.
are dead.
Why would you shoot that at me?
I don't know, but they died. Look at that. Look at this thing just disintegrated. Well, that was cool.
Oh, don't use those.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get some new ones. Bye, Cake. See you later. This car is in a really sad state. Like, the windshield wipers are disintegrated completely. The brakes grind as you try to stop. It's completely out of gas. I'm just praying that I can make it to the gas station because it's literally on the line. Like, no one took care of this car. It's super sad. It died like 3 times just trying to leave. And yeah, it's really, oh, it just died. It literally just died right now. As I'm here right now, it just died. I'm gonna try to cruise into this spot right here, see if I can stop it and then park it. So that was fun. It literally just died right there at the intersection. Had to jump it in the middle of the street. Hopefully it doesn't die again here. The gas station's right there. Will I make it? I'm just gonna cut. Alright, let's see if I can get some gas in this thing. It's really sad what my sister did to this car.
Wait, she literally just left it?
She literally just let it sit there for months. It's like almost a year it hasn't been driven or touched.
Is it the same thing with the Porsche?
Yeah, that thing's been sitting since August.
Dude, the missile car. Come on.
Missile
there.
car?
It's literally a missile car.
Alright, just a car we can just destroy it?
Let's destroy it.
Alright. I like the.
You just never had a turbo car.
I had an Evo.
Never had a turbo car recently.
Hasn't, not recently, no. We made it to the gas station.
Barely.
Getting really good at jumping it.
How many times did you stall it?
I stalled it once, and then I think it just like there was no gas in it. So at like a certain angle going downhill, they didn't think there was gas in it, and it just died.
So what you're saying is you stalled it again.
I didn't stall it on purpose. There was no gas in it. All right, let's start it again.
Okay. I think you need a new battery, dude.
You think so?
Eh.
She says the battery's brand new.
Yeah.
I think we just need to drive it and let the alternator do its thing for a
Dude,
little bit.
if you needed to let the alternator do its own thing for a little bit, it should have charged by now.
You think so? We only drove for like 5 minutes. I want to just drive it first. Let's just drive it first.
Okay.
Let's see if it does charge it. This car is so sad. Look at this. Cobwebs. Cobwebs on the rims. introduce you to Turby. This is my sister's, well, it was my sister's actually, 2003 new Beetle Turbo. And he's just been sitting around for 7 months doing nothing. It's really, really sad. Let's take a look. It says wash me. That's an understatement. This thing's really, really sad. Poop all over the place. There was a whole bunch of spider webs all over the rims, but they came off on the freeway. It's really, really nasty inside here. Oh, see if I can unlock it. Oh yeah, good stuff. Really, really sad. This car used to be pretty nice actually. There's cobwebs there, cobwebs in the engine, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, why would I want a VW Bug? Well, number one, it was cheap. Number two, my sister needed the money, so why not? And number three, it makes whoosh whoosh sounds, so that's kind of fun. Quick tour of the inside. Everything is green, and ergonomically it just sucks. Like, this sucks over here. These are the window switches. This dashboard is excessively long. I mean, you can have dinner on it, but you really can't even see the end of the car, which really sucks. I'm probably gonna pull out those back seats to kind of make it a little bit lighter in here. This has a freaking cassette stereo. I mean, that's weird. What am I supposed to do with this? I can't even put an aftermarket system in here. Maybe a singled in, but we'll have to see. I'm in the dirt, as you can see, because this just might be some foreshadowing as to what might happen to this little car. I've always wanted to rally this thing and maybe even put long travel on it, so that could be kind of fun. So stay tuned. This car needs a lot of love. I had to start it. I had to jump start it like 5 times on the way home. It ran out of gas, all kinds of fun stuff. And about 5 minutes ago, the check engine light went off. So that's fun too. A lot of things that we got to do to this car to get it back in good order, and then start throwing stuff in like downpipe, high flow cat, exhaust, stage 1, chip, and all the things. So it's gonna be an interesting project. Not many people want to build a Beetle, and I figure why not. So 12 years ago when my sister got married, I took this car while she was on her honeymoon. I thought it'd be nice to wash it for her. It took me like 5 times to get it even halfway decent. And then the inside of this little car, I was able to fill up like 3 big Tupperwares of crap. Like, there was just stuff all over the floor, in the back seat, the trunk was full, it was gross. So it doesn't really surprise me that she didn't take care of this car, but this is really bad. It's way worse than I was anticipating. I thought that I could just pick it up and drive it home, and no, it literally died like 4 or 5 times on the way to the gas station. There was no gas in the car. The brakes were so fused together that just rolling, it was grinding. And so after about 30 miles of driving around, it sounds kind of normal, but it's still kind of, I think the rotors might be warped, so I'm for sure gonna be swapping those out pretty soon. But yeah, this car just needs a whole lot of love, and I figure why not? It's gonna be an interesting project, and so I'm looking forward to it. But first, we're gonna do a preliminary wash. Probably won't do much. It'll get us started. At least the windows are clear now. That's kind of cool. That's a little bit better. Got a bunch of the surface stuff off, but there's still spider gunk like that in there. But overall, I mean, it was a good start. I'll wash it again and again and again and a few more times after that, and then I gotta figure out what's going on with the check engine light. So yeah, well, stay tuned. I know it's kind of an odd project, but I was just looking for a cheap car to learn on and to play around with, and whoosh whoosh sounds, they're fun. So stay tuned for more. We'll see you guys next time.